The National Treasury is planning to raise 540 billion shillings through securitized bonds to finance the expansion of the SGR and JKIA. In the plan, the government is seeking to raise 387 billion shillings for the expansion of the SGR to the Ugandan border and raise another 154 billion shillings for the expansion of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. This move marks a strategic shift from how the government has been borrowing to fund infrastructural projects. Through securitization, the government is seeking to reduce its dependence on traditional loans amid ballooning public debt. Instead, it is turning to public-private partnerships and securitization, a model where bonds are backed by income-generating assets. Under the SGR expansion plan, the Treasury is seeking to securitize the Rail Development Levy, which is a 1.5% tax imposed on all imported goods. Similarly, proceeds from the Air Passenger Service Levy, which is charged at 6,450 for international flights and 600 shillings for domestic flights, will back the bond for the JKIA expansion. The planned airport upgrade will include a new terminal and runway, and this follows the cancellation of the Adani deal, where the Indian company was earmarked to build the airport and run it for 30 years. However, after the indictment of Gautam Adani, the deal was cancelled. On the railway front, the government recently opened talks with China to fund the SGR expansion during President William Ruto's trip to the Asian nation early this year. In the talks, both countries agreed to jointly fund 60% of the project, while the remaining 40% was to be funded by Kenyan and Chinese banks. So this is how securitization works. So the government packages projected revenue streams into marketable securities sold to investors. So this allows them to raise capital without increasing public debt. This approach has already been implemented for other projects such as the Talanta Stadium, where the government securitized the sports fund. The project is estimated to cost 44.8 billion shillings. Additionally, the road maintenance levy was securitized to take up a 175 billion loan to pay off pending bills in the road sector. For this and more news updates, we have a partnership with Lua. Lua is a free AI assistant that can help you apply for business loans from Numida and assist you with other tasks such as scheduling meetings, making meal plans, and even generating AI images. To apply for the loan, visit money254.co.ke through the link in bio.